Good night, my dearest friends. Today, I want to tell you about a story a girl who named Amira. Amira was a very cheerful girl. She loved running, laughing out loud, and also playing with all of her friends. She was the kind of person who could light up a room with her own smile. Every morning, she would run into her school with her big dream in the bottom of her heart that she wanted to become a professional athlete someday. But one day happened a very rainy in the afternoon may would change her life forever. On her way back home, Amira was hit by a car accidentally. The accident was so terrible. When she opened up her eyes, she found herself lied down in her bed in hospital. And then she could not feel both of her legs. The doctor said that she had suffered a very serious injury. Amira was so shocked. She cried hysterically, she shouted, and she kept asking to herself why it had to be me to hit by a car accidentally. Days turned into weeks, weeks turned into months. Amira had to stay in her bed in hospital. She could no longer run. She could not longer play. She felt like her world had stopped. Her dream of becoming a professional athlete seemed to be disappeared. But one day, her mother came into her and said softly and gently, Amira, the pain does not have to destroy you. It can make you stronger someday. At first, Amira did not believe it. How could her pain become into her potential power? How could her broken dreams could turn into her new beginnings? But her mother held her hands and smiled. That smile enough to give Amira a little hope. So Amira decided to try. She start she started her very small steps. She learned how to sit down again, and then she learned on how to stand with support. Later, she practiced walking with crutches. Every step was so painful for her. Every moment was so difficult for her. Sometimes she fell. Sometimes she wanted to give up with all of those difficulties that she had. But every time she fell, she remembered her mother's word. Your pain can become your potentially power if you keeping believe on it. Her physical therapist also encouraged her. And also he said, your legs may be weak at the moment, but your spirit is so strong. If you keep going on, you will prove that limits are not always permanently. Those words changed Amira's heart and courage. Instead of beginning an an athlete in the way she once imagined, Amira found a new dream. She began joining a school program for disabled students. Therefore, she met many children who also face pain, fear, also rejection as her, even worse than her. Some could some could not walk, some could not hear, some had lost confidence in themselves. Amira looked at them and realized something very important, that she was not alone. Then Amira started speaking in front of the others. She shared her story. She told them, I once thought my accident was the end of my life. But now but now I know it was the beginning of a new one of my life. My pain did not disappear, but it gave me a new purpose. Her words touched many hearts. The children listened carefully. Some of them smiled for the first time. Some of them cried. Some of them found their their courage to believe in themselves again. Years passed. Amira never became a runner, but she became something even greater. She became a, she became a motivational speaker. She visited many schools, many hospitals, and also many communities in order to inspire people who were suffering like she did. She taught them that even a painful does not define that future. Amira's life proved one powerful truth. Limits can be broken, pain can become power, and a broken heart can still create a strong soul. So, my dearest friends, when life hurts you, do not always ask, why did this happen to me? Sometimes, the better question is, what can I become because of this? Because every pain carries a lesson. Every wound can create wisdom, and also every limit can be broken by courage. Thank you, my dearest friends.